Okay. So I'm going here to do another walkthrough of the Aurum back office. I haven't done this for a year now, and there's lots of new features and new products within the Aurum back office. So let's get started. So this is your dashboard. Um, so if you're new, this is where you can top up your account. We have separate videos for that. And this is what you call your main balance. Now, you've kind of three wallets within your Aurum ecosystem. This is your main wallet. It's where you can top up and withdraw your funds. Now, the first thing you want to do, if you're new especially, is make sure that you access the Aurum ecosystem, and you'll have to sign up for a yearly subscription, and that is $19.99 per year. Once you've done that, you can access any of the products. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard here. So the first thing you want to do is obviously top up your account, and you're going to create your first bot. Again, we've got some separate videos for that. Now, like I say, this is just a walkthrough of the Aurum back office. So here, as we scroll down, we can see the main flagship product packages that you may have deposited in, and the amount your balance in that particular XAI bot will be shown here, and you'll get your profit share from the daily returns. Again, it shows down here your results for the last week. And as you can see, the historical data along the bottom of the XIA bot performance over the sort of last year there. And we have the results for the real world assets. I will come on to that in a minute. So once you've created your bot, please see the other videos. I will mention similar stuff on here in a minute. But if we've got the new quantum alpha non-custodial AI trading agent. We'll come on to that again in a bit. But you definitely want to be scrolling down here, and you want to be joining the partners channel in the Telegram chat. And also you want to be able to access your Aurum Neobank in Telegram as well. That's another separate product. It's where you can also get returns on what you call a Zeus bot, and it's access to the Aurum Visa card. So let's go down. Live trading. Okay. So it says coming soon there, but we do actually have live trading. It's just on a separate site there for Aurum. I'll just quickly show you that. And if we go here, we can see it's the Aurum Trading Exchange. And if you want to trade yourself, you can do. But unless you're really big into it, that's entirely up to you. I like just getting my daily profits from Aurum itself. So if we go back and we have finance, this will show you all your finance details, top-ups, returns, deposits, transfer funds, blah, blah, blah. Then your products, your main products along here. So you go to financial proposals, and we've got the first product, which is the XAI bot. This has been their flagship product for quite a long time now. And again, you can just create your bots down here. So if you wanted to create a bot, if you're new, there'll be a button here, this button, and you just create a deposit, and it will create a new bot for you down the bottom. If you already have a bot and you want to top up your bot, then please use this button down here, the top up menu. If you use this, it'll just create a separate bot for you along here. So if you want to top up your current bot that's in working progress, just top it up down here, okay? But remember, you're topping up from your main balance on the dashboard, so funds need to be on there first. And again, this is a separate wallet, so if you compounding your bot, you would just click this button on to green, it will compound for you. If you turn it off, your profits for that day, or if you leave it off for a week, the profits for that week will then accumulate here in accumulated profit. You can then withdraw that. It will then go to your main balance on the main dashboard, and then you can withdraw from that out of the account to your cold wallet or exchange. I would always advise going to a cold wallet first before cashing out to an exchange. And then these are a few items: Aurum tokens, the license, Polygon wallet, staking coming soon, flash loans. Not really using these much at the moment. If you want to have a go and look through. But the Nero bot, this is this one. And this is, how can I put it? It is the funds that you enter on here would be located in your personal wallet, something like Trust Wallet, Tangem, MetaMask, or something like that. And you're just allowing the AI Quantum Alpha agent to then basically trade those funds for you, and then you can close the agent anytime, and your funds would stay in your personal external wallet. Great little features, bringing in about 1% a day in returns. You can actually see the trades going on. It's trading longs and shorts. And this win rate can vary, 56, 59. And then this is just still in beta testing at the moment. They will, once it's all sorted, you will be able to set up your own agents, your own AI agents, and set the risks and things and the parameters for yourself, and see a separate video on that. And also there'll be a chance of, if anyone allows it, who's set up an agent for themselves, they will allow you to copy trade the agent for a small profit of your returns, which will be great as well for those that don't know exactly what they're doing with that sort of thing. All right, so yes, and we'll go down, and we've got down here, we've got the RWA, that's the real world assets. They've just launched the gold packages. So basically what happens if you put, say, 1,000 in, 500 of that would go to trading, and 500 of that would go to futures. And what happens is you're getting 30% off the price of the gold, the spot gold price, when you take out this package here. And yes, and it's been good returns on that as well. That's kicking off. There's more real world assets coming. We have, I think the next one is going to be property, and that's property in Bali, which will be coming soon. And they are also then looking at data centers, so that'll be good as well. Then we've got sort of the partner program, and basically this is all your partner details. If you're referring people and not just a customer, if you're just a customer, then this is quite irrelevant to you. But this is your partner program, where if you're referring people and not encouraging, if you're showing people the benefits of the Aurum Eco Foundation and how they can make use and make more money with their money rather than the banks and things like that, this is where you can track all your details. And on the top here, it shows you all your partner statistics as well. You just need to click on that and it would show you everything. Then we go down, we've got all the transactions history. So this is everything from transactions that are happening with your products, from withdrawals to top ups and everything. You can go through here and you can define it down to whichever particular one that you're looking to search for, and you can just click confirm. We've got a whole list of frequently asked questions all down here. You can scroll down. Any special promos that Aurum are doing? They do a lot of promos. They've got gold promo has just finished, I believe. Yeah, that's just finished. That's a promo that they had. They just had the competition for that, and they had some winners who are winning some gold. You've got all your marketing materials along here. You've got presentations, PDFs in lots of different languages. You've got educational materials, again, lots of different languages, and you've got some video materials here. Again, just go through everything that's relevant to you. Their YouTube channel is really good as well for gathering extra information. And you've got all your settings down here. And obviously this is my wife's account, so I just want to come off that. But the first thing is make sure that you set up your two-factor authentication. I tend to use Google Authenticator, but whichever ones you're used to using or relevant to you. And notifications, Telegram bot, get notifications, so you could set that up as well there, okay? And that is it. I mean, yeah, you can click up here, just goes to your profile, details again in security of your account, language, you can change your language if you're in another country. And yes, if you have any questions, yes, we get promos are all sort of, we've got a cruise promo at the moment. You can click on that and see what the promo is. The Aurum Gold once that's finished, but do definitely access your neobank and your partner channel as well. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to either hit me up or your sponsor. And there we have it. Hope this has made sense to you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.